missing where I am. And lately my mind's been filled with so much angst. I love it here but wanna be upstate. Where I wanna be is a picture that I paint. Sometimes I find it's better than the real thing. Where I wanna be.
What's good, Rant crew? Welcome back to another video. If you're not following me already on my social media, you can follow me here, final_rant. If you're new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? But yeah, let's jump right in, y'all. Hey guys, it's Final Rant. I just want to welcome you back to another video and Happy New Year, because I haven't seen y'all since last year. It's been quite a while, but yeah, I recently did a poll on my channel. I wanted to see what it is that you guys wanted to see on my channel. So you guys voted for fitness videos and hair videos, so you'll see more of that in my upcoming content. And yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back and watching yet another video. But yeah, today we're going to be doing a hair video. This one is it's going to be a wig review. Why did I just go blank? Like, I've been prepared to make this video for forever and I just went blank. But yeah, we're doing a hair review video. I guess an unboxing is what you would call it, for Eayon Hair. I've worked with this company before. Well, I haven't worked with them because I purchase all of my wigs that I get. But I've gotten a wig before from this company and it held up very good. It lasted me months and months and months. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. So I got this wig on Amazon Prime. I love Amazon because you can order something and whatever you order, it will get to you in about 2 to 3 days. And I don't think it's business days, it's any kind of day it'll get to you. And also, if you get something and you're not satisfied with it, you could send it back without any issues. So I'm here for it. But yeah, this is the box that the wig came in. It's a cute little box. Eayon Hair. It has their website at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So the wig comes with this little what do you call it, this little velcro strap, not velcro strap, but like an elastic strap if you want to use that on your wig. I don't really know how to use it, so I don't know if I will be using that. Hopefully the wig just fits me perfectly, because the last time that I ordered from them, it just fit on its own. Like, I didn't have to do anything to it. So the wig comes into this little bag here. Man, it is so cold in Texas. I don't know where y'all are from, but like, if y'all live in the South, like this ain't normal for it to be this cold. It's like 40 or 50 degrees, I think, here in Houston. Crazy. We used to 150 degrees, y'all. Okay, so I just took off the little netting off of the wig. And the little tissue paper that holds the shaping. And this is what the wig looks like. It is a full lace wig. Let me see if it has details. I forgot what exactly it was called, so I wanted to look at the bag. Okay, so this is the free part average size full lace wig, 18-inch natural color loose wave. So as you can see, the wig has lace in it. It goes all the way around. So it's not like a lace front where there's just lace up here. The lace goes throughout the inside of the cap all the way around to the bottom and the back, so you could put it in a ponytail if that's what you want to do. And as far as combs, I'm going to flip this inside out so y'all can get a good look at it. There's 2 combs in the front that you could use. Most people cut those out. And there's 1 comb in the back right here. So that is what it looks like. And let me turn it around so you guys can see the full curl pattern. And let me turn it around so you guys can get an idea of what the curl pattern looks like. Very pretty curls. It says it's 18-inch. I'm not sure if this is 18-inch. I figured it would kind of be a little bit longer, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. I haven't been buying a lot of wigs lately, so I can't really tell you if that 18-inch description is accurate or not. But yeah, look at the curl pattern. This is like right out the box, y'all. Right out the box. I ain't did nothing to it. Like, come on. The hair does smell like a little weird. It's not like corn chippy per se. It's more like, it smells like plasticky, but maybe that's just the lace. Yeah, maybe that's the lace. But yeah, this is the wig. Let me show y'all the front of it. So this is what the front of the wig looks like. I hope it's focused, but it's already pre-plucked, so you don't need to do that. And it has the baby hair ready for you already. I don't know if you can see it. Let me put my hand here and maybe y'all can see it better. But yeah, look y'all, this wig, that's why I love buying from them. They already cut the baby hair for you. So yeah, if you're someone like me, as I stated in my last video with my wig from them, if you don't like to do a lot of prep on your wig before you put it on, you don't have time to bleach lace, you don't have time to pluck and all that, you need to get this wig because this is perfect for a beginner. All you gotta do is cut the lace and throw it on, really. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this wig, please do let me know in the comments and I'll get them answered. They have multiple types of wigs. The last one that I got, I think it was like a loose wave. It wasn't like as curly, like it was more like beachy type waves. That hair straightened very well for me. I don't know if this one will because it's super curly, but I'm sure I'll find out eventually. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, you might want to, if you're more experienced with wigs, you may want to bleach the knot because I feel like they are a little visible on this wig. I don't know if that's focusing, but yeah. This is a great company to order from, guys, especially if you're like a regular person, you're not some big superstar YouTuber. You know you're gonna get a great quality wig because, you know, I order mine. I don't identify as a YouTuber or anything for when I order my wigs from them, and this is a good quality wig. So I'm going to apply the wig. That'll probably be a totally another video, but yeah, if you want to see how I'm going to customize the wig, leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll put that on the video, even though it doesn't really need much customization. If anything, all I'm going to do is bleach the knots and cut this lace off. So I know you guys are going to want to see the wig already on, so I did take a couple of pictures after I installed the wig and everything. So here it is wet. The wet and wavy look. It looks so cute. And then you know, over time the hair will kind of like dry out, so I'll insert a picture of that phase of the hair as well. But yeah, as long as you keep the hair moisturized with like a leave-in conditioner, a little bit of oil, and a little bit of water, you'll be good. Your hair will look so cute and bouncy. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. I love it, but I could be biased. So y'all let me know y'all's thoughts. But yeah, again, this is the Eayon Hair 18-inch loose curl natural color wig, full lace wig. I'm gonna apply this and I'll be back in another video to show y'all how that goes. I hope you guys really enjoyed that unboxing from the Eayon Hair. If so, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please do share my videos on your platforms. If you have Facebook or Twitter, please share my video and tag me. Or you don't have to tag me, but just share my video so more people can see it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.